This recipe is meant for 2 cups of tea around 200 milliliters each. Pour the measured water into the pot. The aromatic smell of elaichi, 5 would be more than enough. If you have a sweet tooth, 1.5 spoons of jaggery would be great. If you have a strong mix, then 2 to 3 spoons per cup would be just about right. Don't forget to switch the gas on to full power. Stir the pot to allow the ingredients to mix up a bit better. Turn the gas to its lowest flame as soon as the tea starts boiling over. The tea will continue to boil even on a low flame, but don't switch it off. This part is important. Just a bit of straining to do now. You don't always have to do everything according to what the packet says. 90% of the times, yes, but otherwise just do everything so that it suits you. Remember, 1 cup of 200 milliliters tea would take less time. These 2 cups took around 7 minutes. 30 seconds to keep everything ready, 3 minutes to boil the water with the ingredients, 2 minutes on low, and another minute to pour into the cups and mix in the milk whitener. I hope you take some time out to enjoy this recipe. There are some important notes at the end of this video.